Water leakage from your AC can be frustrating, but with a few simple checks, you can prevent it easily. Follow these steps to avoid water leakage in your air conditioner. Check the drain pipe. Examine the drain pipe for any blockages, as clogs can lead to water buildup and leakage. Remove any obstruction if found. Ensure the pipe is properly slanted downwards to allow smooth drainage. If there is any heavy debris inside, contact Samsung Customer Care for professional assistance. Check the air filters. Clogged or dirty air filters can cause the evaporator coil to freeze, resulting in water leakage. Clean the filters regularly, preferably every 15 days, to maintain proper airflow. Due to humidity in atmosphere, with high humidity during monsoon season, water droplets can form over the indoor unit. This is not an issue. Run the unit in dry mode to control the humidity. Formation of water droplets on AC blade or at the bottom. Water droplets forms on the AC blade or at the bottom of the unit. The possible causes are low cooling set temperature, high ambient humidity due to continuous inflow of outside air through open door and windows, low indoor fan speed, presence of hot air pockets below the AC, oversized AC installed in a small room, incorrect blade angle settings. Follow these recommended solutions to prevent formation of water droplets. Increase the temperature setting. Run dry mode for 3 to 4 hours, then switch back to cooling mode. This mode will drain out the excess water. Set the fan speed to medium or high. Adjust the blade angle using the vertical air swing function to optimize the airflow direction. Using the vertical swing feature is recommended for better air distribution and it prevents condensation buildup. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.